How to make Chonya Ros, 100% vegan. Ingredients: white peas, also known as watana, soak overnight. Next day, will look like this. Straight into the pot, put some water, salt, and cook until it's soft. Masala preparation: hot pan, cinnamon stick, cloves, peppercorn, coriander seed, cumin seed, anise seed, poppy seed, roast slightly. Put some red chili, half coconut, turmeric, tamarind, roast spices. Spread into the mixer some water and make a fine paste. Carrot, potato. Once the pot is hot, add oil 2 tablespoons. Oil is hot enough, add mustard seed, half teaspoon, hing, fresh curry leaves. Add those vegetables, toss, lid on, cook for few minutes. Add watana now. 10 minutes later, add masala paste, some water, salt. Cook until it's soft. Check the seasoning and our vegetable Chonya Ros is ready. Serve it with rice or freshly baked bread. Thanks for watching Chef Don.